2. Okay. Right. State Boyle's law. So Boyle said, his is the pressure and volume one, wasn't it? That if you make the volume bigger, you make the pressure less. So in other words, Boyle said, at constant temperature in an ideal gas, pressure is proportional to 1 over the volume. That's what Boyle said, isn't it? That's this one? Pressure and volume? Yeah. Okay, B, part 1. A flask contains a volume of 0.56 times 10 to the minus 3 meters cubed of oxygen at a pressure of 1.23 times 10 to the 5 pascals, and the temperature is 20 Celsius. What will be the pressure? No, what will be the volume if the pressure increases to 1.81 times 10 to the 5 pascals? Now you don't have to, but they obviously want you to use Boyle's law because they just made you say what Boyle's law was in part A. So look at what's happening to the pressure. The pressure went up to 1.8 times 10 to the power of 5, and it was 1.23 times 10 to the power of 5. So the pressure increased by 47%. In other words, the pressure was multiplied by 1.47. So according to Boyle, the volume should decrease by the same amount. So if you take your volume and then divide it by that number I just got, you can now have the reduced volume. And that's 0.3, okay, so I want to have it as 10 to the minus 3 because that's what it was earlier. 0.381 times 10 to the minus 3 meters cubed, because what happened was the pressure was multiplied, we said, by 1.47 going from here to here. So that means the volume gets divided by that number. And the last part is, what's the number of moles? It's okay, see if you look a bit confused. The yes, yeah to what? It's okay, or you look confused? Alright, okay. Part 2. What is the number of moles? So if you have PV equals N or T, then that means N equals PV over RT. Let's calculate that. P V over R T. What's it? 273.15, isn't it? Oh man, I'm sure I did something wrong there. Seems like way too many. P, V, oh, minus 5, there we go. No, minus 3, sorry. That's better. I was using this volume here. So that's 0.0283. Yeah.
The pressure is increased by 1.47.
A multiple, yeah.
Yeah, so volume is divided.
Yeah, by 1.47.
Why is it divided?
Because that's what Boyle's law says, that they have this reciprocal relationship. So Boyle said if you double the pressure, then the volume is halved. And likewise, if you double the volume, then the pressure is halved. They have this reciprocal relationship. That's Boyle's law. Not to be confused with the Boyle who's buried at the church down the road. It's totally different law. Does that check out with the answer in the book? $0.0283?
Yeah.
And it is 283.
Yeah.
Super duper. Okay, can I close this? Are you sure, Siva? Yeah? Okay. Let's see. Save recording.